Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Shopify store. First, what you have to do is open up your Shopify admin and it will take you right here. So now we have to go to settings. Keep in mind that deleting your Shopify account means that you will be deleting all the data and all the products. So make sure that you are actually sure that you want to delete your account. So we have different ways to do that. First of all, you can go the plans right there, and in plans, if you cancel your membership, you can click on deactivate trial or delete my subscription or deactivated my subscription. It deletes that, and after that your store becomes inactive. So that's how it works on Shopify. It's really easy. You can just open up the settings, go to plan, and then click on the lead subscription, and it will automatically delete your account once your subscription ends. If you're actually looking to give your story to someone else, then you can change the ownership. So just click on transfer ownership and you can just enter a brand new email, first name, last name, and it set up a new password, and then you will be able to transfer your story to someone else. So that is another way that you can actually check out. But if you want to delete your account, just go to the plan and then delete your subscription. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.